Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as a freebie for the month of January down below so you can grab it. For the month of January, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels and trying to see some growth happening on our channels. I will link those ladies. Also, surprise! We are having a surprise giveaway. Cassie and I every once in a while like to do this random giveaway, and sometimes it's things that have not made it to the shop yet, and sometimes they're already in the shop. But today is a special 48 hours. Whoever grabs the freebie down below in the first 48 hours gets it. They get it. If it's after the 48 hours, I'm so sorry. I will make sure our shop is linked and you can purchase the item if you'd like, but it's this beauty. Yes, I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It's such a great savings challenge. And for those of you who are interested in knowing more, it is a 26-week savings challenge, and you don't have to save it weekly, and you can make it work however your budget says to do it. I, in fact, am doing the savings challenge basically not in weeks necessarily, but like a roll and save. I'm going to roll and save 26 times and see how much that savings challenge can save me. But you can work it however you like. Okay, is that everything? I think that was everything. Okay, I should have wrote notes, but yeah, I'm not that cool. Let's count up what we're stuffing today in our high priority. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I have $145 here. Before we do cash stuffing, I need to grab my binder here because we are going to, well, hopefully I don't mess that up. First things first, I wanted to do a check-in with myself. So I did a take care of Silenthia, kind of like a bingo card. And so a couple of them we won't know how I did until the end of the month, but I did my monthly DIY pedicure, so that's awesome. And then also, oh, I dropped my lid, one moment. And then also I did my saving of $50 a month, so that is at least. And so the rest of these items, we really won't know until the end of the month. We haven't gone on a solo date, or on a family date, and I have not gone on a solo date yet. Okay. So that's all we've accomplished so far, which is amazing. It's still pretty early in the month. We have some time left. But I am off to a good start with recording my videos, reading my Bible, and walking. So there's that. Oh, the dance session, we are off to a good start with that as well. That's been pretty fun because we've been incorporating a little challenge as well. Okay, so only a couple of bills have been paid so far. And this is what I needed. Okay, so we are going to fill out our paycheck budget, and like I told you guys before, I want to try to make this a habit. And I know that if I press record and I actually say, hey, I'm going to do it, then I'm more likely to follow through. Otherwise, it ends up just being written out on a piece of paper and I throw it away. All right, so actually today is the 10th, but you are seeing this probably, what, the 12th? You're seeing it on the Sunday because it's typically when I post my high priority. However, we have $145. All right, and so my chicken scratch next to me says utilities is getting $10, internet $20, phone bill $5, insurance $20, subscriptions $5, and memberships $10, which is a total of, I don't know because I didn't add it up, 10 plus 20, plus 5 plus 20 plus 5 plus 10, $70. I think that's exactly what we had last time. All right, and then we have mommy, which is getting $10. My kiddos are not getting anything. I mentioned that they still have money from their Christmas, and it looks like that's dwindling down, so we may have to start working their cash back into our budget. Gas getting $20. Household $10. Pets $10. And I've mentioned before, I believe I have, that I'm not certain that I'm going to keep my mother's dog. Dogs are just way more than cats. They're way more work, and you can hear my kitty at the door. But I love her. She's fantastic. She's a sweet little dog, but it's just more work than I would like to have in my life right now. So I am trying to find her a good home, and I'm going to continue on working on that. Laundry getting $10 as well, which I have some quarters left over, so I'm not certain $10 is necessary, but I'm going to put it in there just in case. If it's not, we're going to add it to savings challenges at a later date. Okay, so we have 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, $60. All right, so that means we have 145 minus 70 equals, and minus 60 equals, we have $15 going into savings today. Yay! So I've explained before that these paycheck budgets are specifically for my 4 walls. I do like to implement the savings challenges if I can. I do have some savings goals, and we will actually visit some of those savings challenges to see what we've got going on. Let's set this back off to the side, and that way I can actually read it and see what we got going on. Grab our binder back here and put on my glasses because I'm having a rough time viewing the world around me. All right, so for those of you who are not familiar, my rent does stay in my bank account now, so yay, go us. But we have utilities getting $10. All right, and utilities has 20, 30, 35, 40. And internet getting $20. And internet now has 40. Cell phone is getting $5. And now we have 10. Insurance getting $20. And now insurance has 40. Subscriptions getting $5. Subscriptions now has 10 as well. All right, and memberships is getting $10 by 10. And memberships has 20, 30, 35, $40. So we're looking good. I do believe this bill will be coming very soon, so I'll need to see what's going on there. That is for my YMCA membership, so we definitely want to take care of that. All right, and then this is the money for my PTO for next time we come together, so we're not going to bother that. We do need to get our weekly expense binder. And we are going to give mommy $10 by 10. Gas getting $20. Household getting $10. Pets getting $10. And laundry getting $10. And I have this is just my little wallet for laundry, so I'll go ahead and put that money in there. And I've been doing really good going on Tuesdays when you're not working, running back and forth to work, which I go back tomorrow. It's a lot easier to make your day work out for you, and you can go to the laundromat anytime. Okay, so nothing for my kiddos, but I should have $15, and I do. Okay, so I kind of have an idea of what I'd like to see happen with this $15. I'd like to finish round 2 of my knockout. So I think we're going to need to get some change. Let's see, what do we have here? 2, 4, 5. Okay. Yes, we're gonna have to just get started with this, and then we can get more change. So round 1 was completed, right? And then we started working on round 2. And so let's see here, where did we end? Huh, we only needed $1 more. Okay, so that's perfect. So this round 2, we've gone ahead and completed. Yes. Okay, so every time you finish a round, you put the money that you've saved into the envelope that it corresponds with. So this is round 2. This is my second round. So I need to put this money into my round 2. Okay. I'm so excited about this. Because the idea of saving was so far-fetched, and now it's a reality. Okay, so round 2 saved me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bucks. And I think we need $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna set that there, and we're gonna pull this $9. And let me just make sure this is $11 so I'm not confusing myself. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So round 2 is complete. Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna give it a little color there. Perfect. All right. So next, we're gonna go on to round 3. We're gonna see, what do we have? Because I know this one's, I want the $5 for my anime, and I'll pull that out in just a moment. So let's see here. We have round 3 is getting started. Yes. Okay. And if you're able to do more money than just $1, by all means do $1, $2, $3, $5, whatever you want to do. If you can do $20 every round, every envelope, then do that, what works for your budget. I decided I was going to go ahead and do $1 because it works for my budget, because I have so many other savings challenges and things like that I want to be working on. And so it's really important for me to be realistic so I'm not overwhelmed. All right. Oh man, we just needed $1 more for this one again. That's okay though, because next week when we come together, hopefully I'll be able to go ahead and add another $1. But round 2 was completed. Where's my pretty pink? It doesn't matter. Purple. I have a pretty pink marker somewhere and I can't find it. Okay, neither here nor there. All right, so when you get this digital download, you can save it. This is how to play. This is the basics, like what you can do to save the money. If you follow the instruction, when you complete the savings challenge, you will have $364. The way that I'm completing it, I should save $78, which is more realistic for me. This is coming along very, very well. So maybe next time I'll push myself a little bit more, but we'll see. All right, let me grab my anime. This is the saving challenge I'm working on, which is the Save 225 in 2025. It's going to take me a while because, once again, I am very, very low income. And thanks to side hustles, I've been able to save a little bit more than, I have been. So that's fantastic. Also, making sure that my allowance was cut back, very, very important for me. All right, so since I have $5 left, I'm going to go ahead and color in 5. This is just a photo album, and you can find it at like Dollar Tree or something like that. And I just decided to use it because I had it on hand, and it's perfect fit for what I'm using it for. And so I put little stickers because I already had them on the each slot. So yes, when I complete this, it will be $225. And Silynthia, what if you don't have enough money to stuff this savings challenge? Well, I have an extra slots in the back, so I decided that if necessary, say I only have $3 left over, I'm just going to stuff the $3 here, and then wait until I can actually stuff one of the increments, because that is my plan to complete this savings challenge. Okay, so we've got our savings challenges completed. We've got our weekly expenses as well as our high priority bills. Look at that. We took care of some business today. Also, I want to thank you guys for hanging in there with me, trying to figure out what's going on with myself. I do want to stay on top of checking in on my goals. I want to stay on top of making sure I'm writing out my budget and being held accountable for that part of budgeting, because the cash stuffing part is easy, right? That part's fun for me anyway. But I just want to make sure that I'm doing it the way that it needs to be done so I can succeed at the end of the day. But I do want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate you. Make sure you grab the freebie while you've got the opportunity to grab it. 48 hours, it's going to be gone after that. Grab it. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.